अहिले पैसा आएको पैसा मात्र फटाफट हाथ हो बच्चा छोड़ के बता रहा थे
चोरी पाए बैठे हो खाना पाए बैठे
We went from Kathmandu to Sindu Palchok, which from Kathmandu and place called Saku. We that's that Saku road. We went to Nangle Bari and Melamshi.
Oh, the cracking? Really? Oh, man.
What's the name of this village?
Melamchi.
Melamchi.
Downtown Melamchi.
This is downtown Melamchi.
Road is new, so that's maybe short, also maybe 25 kilometers short that one. And we have a two road. Other old ones were longer. So that's we went there. Almost 1 hour like this. That's only 6-7 years ago. The road is built and not finished now. So that's the problem. Not four wheels and big problem to go to Dubacho. So from Melamchi, from Kathmandu to Melamchi, road is that's okay. Then from Melamchi to Dubachaur is almost seven kilometers. That is very difficult to go there.
It works.
अहिले अलि ठिक भएछ म तल जाँदाखेरि म पछाडि बस्छु
होइन
अहिले मेलम्चीमा अलि त्यो हिँड्यो नि म त्यहाँबाट अलि ठिक भएछ अघि त कस्तो कस्तो त्यो तल आउँदाखेरि म पछाडि बस्छु माथि खानासाना खाएर म त्यहाँ
Now one brother sleeping here, one brother sleeping there. Now we supposed to come back. Now we have a problem. Government saying they want to help to build the houses,
Yeah.
but you should not decide to
Actually help.
So we have a problem about earthquakes. So government decide to build the houses. Just we listening, reading some news, listening some news and reading, just newspaper. And I think government have a problem. Maybe a lot of country people they donate money for the rebuild because it's still in earthquake in Nepal, still, but government want to give the money. Okay, the government giving money to build again earthquake, damage. What to do? We have a problem for that. So government also want to help, but now almost in village, as a NGO, lot of NGO, in Nepal. They are moving now. Everyone in a village, they want to help to the the what do you call tin roof, something temporary shelter. Yeah. They're giving just helping. I have also one that's eye hospital giving to build and for me also in there. So I'm going to there and stay sometimes. Yeah, I don't have a house also. Problem. Yeah.
अनि तपाईको घर चाहिँ घरमा केही भयो
घरमा बाख्रा मर्यो भैँसी मर्यो खसी मर्यो नाता नातिनी मर्यो
ए तपाईको नाता र नातिनी पनि मर्यो
मर्यो
ए हजुर एकचोटी भन्नुस्
15,000 एकचोटि 10,000 यो संसारलाई सबैले मलाई मात्र
अनि त्यहाँबाट अर्को चाहिँ केही भएको छैन
अर्को छैन
अनि तपाईलाई भूकम्प आउँदाखेरि सरकारले कुनै सहयोग गर्यो कि
छैन
के पनि गराएको
अब
छैन
त्यति राहत दिएको त्यति हो
राहतमा के
चामल आयो के अरे तिर्पल आयो अनि जस्ता 2 बन्देल आयो अनि त्यहाँबाट चामल 2 बोरा आयो सरकारबाट आयो कि संस्थाबाट आयो कताबाट आयो आउनु चाहिँ अनि मन्डी आयो 5 वटा
अनि तपाईको आफ्नो परिवारलाई केही क्षतिपूर्ति भयो कि
आफ्नो परिवारलाई त त्यही नातिनी र नाति चाहिँ गयो अर्थात् त छोरा बुहारी चाहिँ छ आफू छ
त्यो सबै क्षति भएर हो अहिले नयाँ घर बनाउँदै लाग्दाखेरि तपाईलाई कस्तो भइरहेछ
अब नयाँ घर बनाउँछु त्यो बाटोमा पर्यो रोडमा छ अलिकता बिजनेस गर्न सक्छ कि भनेर ऋणमा बनाएको हो मलाई मन त राम्रै छ ऋण चाहिँ अलिकता भएर अलिकता छिन्न चाहिँ छ
हस्
ऋण चाहिँ भुसुकै छ
हस् धन्यवाद ओके
Should take a photo of the shop and give it to him.
नमस्कार है सबैजनालाई आराम हुनुहुन्छ
पनि बिहान आएको गाडी चाहिँ माथि छ सरहरू माथि बस्नु भएको तपाईँ कहिले आइपुग्नु
ए म
एकचोटि होइन अलि ढिलो भयो ढिलो भयो हामी अहिले आउँछौँ नि कसो In my village, we have 5 schools. Like one is 12. That's a high school, 12th grade. So that's a big one. That's almost 600 kids is going to that school. And one is 10th grade. There is almost 300 kids going to school. That's a 10th grade. And one is Jyoti Banjang school. That is 350 kids going to school there. That one's 8th grade, that is school. And one is 5th grade and one is 3rd grade. That we have a 5 school. So we build a Himalayan Foundation USA. You know, they collect some money for the build a school education. So almost $30,000 we spend. We build the school. It's a nice building. When we finish that opening that school, almost month after that school also broke down. So we have a very big problem about that things. So Himalayan Foundation did a very good job for that in that area in my village. Maybe that one is 5th project and in my village. So Himalayan Foundation build a library and a school wall and another new school, then computer education. You know, the computer is big. We have a student read in the book. Only they reading in the book. You know, no computer. Himalayan Foundation gave first in my place the computer. The student is very happy. You know, they saw in computer. They're reading only in the book. They don't see before. Then they start, they see the computer, then everyone learning, you know, everyone's, they are very happy. So almost Himalayan Foundation helped to computer maybe 3 schools in Dubachor.
Over 500 students?
Yeah, over 500.
Okay.
So this is quite big school. Our college is this village. We have a 5 school, but the biggest school in this. Mostly Buddhist people around there, but the Buddha was born in Nepal. So yes, Lumbini, and we have a very good religion because Hindu and Buddhism. Still, we are not fighting. Still, we are happy. We are together. Still, But I don't know the future. I hope future also going good. Not, I am Buddhist. I don't want to say, you are Hindu. I don't want to say that. I think they also, you are Buddhist. They don't say that. Still, we have a very good religion and very good, the togethers is moving. That's a good. But in my area is quite a lot of Tamang people. Tamang people is mostly Buddhism. So they are happy and peace. They want peace, mostly.
Hey, tell us, what's today's special?
Okay, today is that's villages people. They have a puja in, we call this one Mane. They have a puja because why they want to puja? Because every houses, every place, every temple is broke down, but this temple is not broke. Everyone's very happy to puja in here. Religious people, everyone's very happy.
Yeah, right.
Mama, Kiawama, Chawama, Luama, Karama, Gedoma, Nasama, Dijama, Nima, Dawa, Riboje,
We are lucky. Daytime, Saturday, and afternoon times. Almost in my village, 65 people killed. someone resting inside sleeping, in other words, lunch, then they are maybe tired, very hard work there, working in field, like they have rice field and, they're working very hard. Then after that, they will be maybe lunch, someone sleep, then broke down. They died. Yeah.
Thank you so much, man.